So you've got data analyst skills and you're wondering, I wonder what all I can do with this, huh? Well, I've got great news for you because in today's episode, we're going to cover 30 different incredible roles that you can land with data analyst skill sets and the compensation statistics associated with each. So starting at $45,000 per year, ranging to unlimited earning capacity. Are you ready for this? For the best data leadership and business building advice, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to be notified when a new episode drops each week. Who am I to tell you anything about a data career anyway? Well, I'm Lillian Pearson, and together with my partners LinkedIn Learning and Wiley, I am so grateful to say that I've had the opportunity to educate over 1 million data professionals on topics of AI and data science. I've been a data entrepreneur since 2012, and in my business, Data Mania, we support data professionals to becoming world-class data leaders and entrepreneurs. So first, let's talk about data analyst career options when you're just getting going. You can use entry-level data analyst skills to get jobs like data analyst, risk analyst, statistical analyst, applied scientist, research scientist, data journalist, public health analyst, sales and marketing analyst, data steward, market research analyst, GIS analyst, operations analyst, continuous improvements manager, data privacy analyst, insight specialist, product analyst, public policy research analyst, financial analyst, healthcare analyst, and the list goes on. Not only that, but as you advance in your career and you grow from a data analyst to either a more sophisticated data implementation provider or a data leader, you can expect to have opportunities to land jobs like data scientist, quantitative analyst, reporting analyst, business analyst, learning analytics specialist, metrics analyst, business intelligence analyst, analytics manager, product manager, analytics translator, and data product owner. So tell me about yourself in the comments below. Of all the roles I just named, which are you working today? Now, let's talk about the skills and requirements that you'll need to get into place before taking your first job as a data analyst. You will, of course, want to have a STEM degree, as well as technical skills in programming, math, databases, science, predictive analytics, and model building. In terms of programming languages, you want to have some experience in Python or R, and also, of course, SQL. And you'll need strong consulting skills. So when I say that, I'm talking about analytical skills and reporting acumen, as well as the ability to manage multiple priorities and strong communication skills. So if you're finding this video interesting so far, you'd probably love my recent video on discovering your inner data superhero. I'll put a link to it in the description below in case you'd like to check it out. Now, last but certainly not least, let's talk about salaries you can expect to make with data analyst skill sets. I just mentioned 19 entry-level roles you could get as a data analyst or with having data analyst skills. According to Indeed.com, the salary for those entry-level roles ranges from $45,000 to $75,000 per year. And as you advance in your data career and take one of the more sophisticated roles that I named, you can expect to earn anywhere from $65,000 to $120,000 per year in annual salary. Sorry if you don't love those numbers, but I literally just pulled them off of Indeed.com last week, and so those are what they're saying that people are reporting in terms of compensation packages in 2021. But don't get discouraged because it is, of course, always possible for you to become one of the 1%ers. And when I say that, I mean the top 1% of earners in the data field. So if you were to take your data analyst skills and you were to transition and develop into a super sophisticated badass data implementation person, you could always get a role at somewhere like Facebook and get a data scientist position at E6 level where the annual compensation package tops out at $570,000 per year. The good news is if you find you don't really love doing implementation work all day, every day, you could take your same starting data analyst position and slowly over years evolve into a sophisticated data leader, assuming something like a data product manager or a product manager role. And compensation statistics on the same level of E6 at Facebook for product managers is actually $499,000 per year, according to levels.fyi. Lastly, if you're kind of a lone wolf and you prefer to work for yourself, you could always become a data entrepreneur like Reed Hastings, who started Netflix. What is his net worth today? $5 billion. That's according to Business Insider. If you loved this ultra meta discussion about all of the incredible things you can do when you start off your career as a data analyst, then I want to invite you to take my data superhero quiz that's over on my website. It's a super fun 45-second quiz that will help you uncover the optimal data career path for you given your skill sets and your personality. Results come complete with over 50 different types of data roles and up-to-date compensation statistics associated with each. Go ahead and get your personalized data career path recommendations by heading over to the website. I'll link to the quiz in the description below. Oh, and if you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below letting me know which of these data analyst factoids was the most interesting to you and why. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you'll be first to know when my next episode drops.